it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another video. Today I'm showing you guys Nu Locs from Niseyo, the company on Amazon that you've seen me work with on a few videos. The thing I love about these locks is that they are super long, but they are also super lightweight, which makes them perfect for trying different styles. So today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I installed them and also share a few hairstyles that you can do with them. Alright, so here's how the hair looks. This is one bundle of the locks. One order consists of 6 of these, but I think I only used 5. When you do individuals, you don't need as much hair. Here's my braiding pattern. I did individuals in the front. So you can see I just braided the roots and twisted the rest of the way down. I have 5 rows on each side in the front, so you can see here. And I have individuals around the perimeter in the back and then cornrows in the middle. So the first thing I'm going to do is crochet that last braid up and away. And now I can start crocheting. So really quickly, I'm just going to show you how to do one in the back. So this is basically the crochet method. And then I'll show you the individual method in the front. So back here, you just insert your hook with the latch open. Put the loop in the hook. Pull it through with the latch closed. And then I'm hooking the bottom of the lock into that hook, close the latch, and then you're just pulling it through the loop. And there you are. So that's what I'm doing on all the cornrows. Now for the individual method, I am sticking the hook up towards my main part. The reason I'm doing this is because it makes it even easier to hide that braid. So I'm just crocheting that under the braid. And I decided that I was going to pull both the lock and my natural hair through the loop. So that's what I'm doing here. And as you can see, the braid is under the lock, which already makes it easier to hide that braid. As I've said in previous videos, I really struggle with the individual method at the top because it's the thickest part of my hair and it seems to be the most tightly raveled part of most locks. So by putting it in this way and having the braid under the lock, it just makes it a little bit easier. So now as you can see, I'm inserting the hook into the middle of the lock and I'm just pulling my hair through the middle. And there you are. I'm going to continue this all the way down until all of my natural hair is in the lock. Now some people may opt to do the wrapping method, so basically kind of unwrapping the lock and wrapping it around your braid. The reason I chose not to do that is because it's kind of difficult with this hair, and also because these are soft locks. I feel like once you unwrap them, they'll never go back to their original state. Like, I feel like it's a little easier to cause damage to these if you unwrap them. Now let's get into these hairstyles.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Damn me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Damn me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. call on me, call on me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low, tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point the instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man see me take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up. Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gets me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Ooh, she says she want the rundown. Bad man, I me the run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I me the run town. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you.